Hello everyone, how are you all? In this chapter, we will learn about plants. We know that there are different types of plant around us. In plant kingdom, herbs, shrubs, trees are included. Without plants, life on earth would not possible. Now, types of plant. Trees, herbs, shrubs, bushes, climber, creepers, these all are types of plant. Trees are large in size and shape, have a thick stem. For example, banyan, neem, and mango tree. Shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than tree but slightly bigger in size and have a woody stem. For example, rose, mehndi, and cotton plant. Then herbs. Herbs are small in size, having soft green colored stem, for example, mint, spinach, coriander, etc. Here we have to take a note that shrubs and bushes are interchangeable terms for a low-lying woody plants. Now, climbers and creepers. Climbers cannot stand straight on, so they need support to grow. For example, pea plant and money plant. Then creepers. Creepers grow along the ground and have a soft green stem. For example, muskmelon, watermelon, and pumpkin. Then water plant and wild plant. Water plants are those grow in water and their stem stays underwater. Some plants have a big floating leaves. Then wild plants grow naturally for many years and don't need any person to take care. For example, banyan tree, grass, periwinkle, etc. Plants like hydrilla grow completely underwater. Now, the parts of plant. All plants having different types of parts. For example, roots, flowers, stem, leaves. Roots hold the plants in the soil. They absorb water and mineral from the soil. Then flower. Flower produces fruits and seeds. Stem support the plants and it carries water and nutrients from the roots to different parts. Then leaves. Leaves takes in air and sunlight to make food for the plants. And other parts of plants are trunk and fruits. In this diagram we can see the different parts of plant. Now leaves. In this chapter we will have to learn about leaves in detail. Different plants have different types of leaves. Leaves differs in size, shape, smell and color. Sometimes we can identify the plant by the smell of their leaves. And some leaves are edible so that we can eat. For example, mint, basil, coriander, etc. Now basic parts of leaves. Here is the all basic parts of leaves. We can see the all different parts of leaves in this diagram. Midrib, veins, petiole, lamina, apex, margin, right? Now, leaf venation. What is leaf venation? Arrangement of veins in a leaf is called the venation. There are two types of leaf venation, parallel and reticulate venation. Parallel venation, the veins run parallel to each other, and in reticulate venation, the veins are arranged in either web-like or network-like structure. Now, leaf color. We know that all plants are having leaves of different colors like red, orange, green, yellow, purple and so many others. Now, importance of plant. Plants are main source of food. Plants maintain the atmosphere. Plants provide some of the food that humans and animals eat. It also provides oxygen that we breathe. It controls the soil erosion. Plants are also used to make medicine. It gives cotton, jutes for our clothes. In spite of these all, plants are very useful in our day-to-day life. Now, uses of leaves. There are many leaves that are useful to us in different ways. Leaves produce food for plant. Some leaves have a medicinal uses, for example, tulsi, neem, mint, etc. Leaves of teak plant are used to make plates and bowl. At some places, people use banana leaf to serve food. We can make different designs using dry leaves. Okay? Bye student, take care.